When decisions get bigger, the room gets quieter. Not because people are less capable, but because noise stops working. In high-stakes moments, calm people are trusted first. That's not personality, that's pattern recognition. Trust doesn't go to the loudest voice. It goes to the person who reduces uncertainty. Under pressure, leaders look for signals of stability, not charisma. Calmness is one of the strongest signals there is. Loudness creates momentum in simple environments. But when stakes rise, loudness amplifies error. Fast talking, rush certainty, emotional swings. All of this increase perceived risk. Calm does the opposite. Calm isn't passivity. It signals that someone has already processed complexity. They've thought through scenarios. They anticipated second-order effects. They aren't reacting, they are choosing. Quiet professionals tend to reflect before acting. They internalize feedback. They simulate outcomes mentally. That reflection builds composure long before it's needed. Each calm decision builds credibility. Each credible outcome increases trust. Over time, calm professionals are given larger decisions. Not because they ask, but because they are safe. Confidence tries to convince, calm reassures. In complex systems, reassurance matters more than persuasion. People want fewer surprises, not stronger opinions. Mid-career is where decision size increases. Those who rely on energy and speed feel exposed. Those who cultivated calm become anchors. This is when trust consolidates. Reserved behavior is often misread early. Later is recognized as a judgment. Calm professionals don't rush to speak, they wait until clarity arrives. You don't need to dominate conversation to influence outcomes. You need to be steady when others fluctuate. That steadiness is what earns bigger decisions. If you are naturally calm under pressure, if you prefer thinking to performing, you are not behind. You are training for a different tier of responsibility. And that tier arrives quietly.